Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase screen time on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown ones to exit the watch face and then click on settings. Scroll down the settings page, locate and click on display and brightness. Once you selected display and brightness, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to wake duration. Click on it. Now here you should see, choose how long the Apple Watch display stay on when you tap on the screen. So by default, this is going to set to 15 seconds. So if your Apple Watch screen goes off and you tap on the screen, this is going to make the Apple Watch screen stay for 15 seconds if you are not using it. To increase the screen time, just choose wake for 70 seconds. And then this is going to make your Apple Watch screen wake for at least 1 minute 10 seconds. You see that? So that's exactly how to increase screen time on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.